Mike's arrived.
Has he?
No, the microphone. For our...
Oh.
For our...
Yeah. Oh, brilliant.
Film. OK.
So look.
It's nice,
Lovely.
isn't it? Should we give it a go?
Yeah, let's give it a go.
OK, here you go, here you go. Hello, I'm here with Gemma Arrowsmith.
Hello.
Perhaps you'd like to tell us a joke? Yeah. Oh, no.
The Irishman says, OK, but only if you warm your hands first.
Bit rude, bit rude.
Very rude, sorry about that. Good.
Good. It's like a little pet.
Yeah.
If you can, always use a separate microphone, because while a camera's built-in mic is okay, it's no substitute for a decent bit of kit. There are many types of microphone available, from radio mics, which work without cables and can be attached to a person's clothing, or handheld mics like this. Make sure that with any mic you are pointing it in the right direction, and with handheld mics, get as close as possible to your subject without getting in shot, using a pole or boom if necessary. Don't shoot your film anywhere noisy if you plan on having actors speaking lines, or if you're shooting an interview with a contributor. And always wear headphones so you can monitor the sound being recorded by the camera.
I think I've got it. It's actually really easy. You just have the mic on whoever's talking. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah. Oh!
Say.
Oh!
Sorry.
You hurt, Steve. Do we go anyway?
I think so.
That's fine.
Yeah.